Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you our lovely album that we're making at the Wansford workshop using the Maker Splash papers from Graphic 45. This album used an 8x8 pad and half a pack of patterns and solids. That's the front there, which you can see with like a double aperture frame. That's the spine and that's the back there. And then as we go through, you've got your inside cover here with the pocket, and then on page 1 you've got a beautiful image, and it just looks like it's an image, but we've used our pierced pocket slots and we've popped in an invisible pocket there. We pop the waste back in, so that's how that works there. And then when you lift this flap up, you've got a pocket there, you've got photo mats there, and then it also lifts down, so you've got more photo mats there as well. And these are pocket pages, so you can store page tabs in between. So page 2 and 3 mirror each other, so you've got a pocket here, space there, you lift this up, circle photo there, and you've got a pocket there. And then on the other side you've got exactly the same, you've got a pocket there, lift this one up, 2 more circle photos like this, and then you've got a pocket there as well. So on this one you've got a lift up flap, you've got really nice border edges. There's some lovely borders and patterns in this collection and nice colourways, so that's a little pocket there. Lift that page up and then you have more pockets there, and you've got another one there, and you can see it all blends in really nicely. And on this page, this is what we call a quick catch-up page. So this is horizontal pockets, and then decorative paper is all cut from one piece, and it's all paper matching. And then you've got your pockets there and there. And on here, you've got, again, that each page reflects the other. The closures are made with our expanding dumbbells, the mini ones. So on each page you have a pocket, and then it opens out, lifts up, so you have 2 spaces there for photos, and then when you open it that way you have more that way as well. So pop that there. Let me just find the other one as well. That's that one there, and then exactly the same here. I think I might have done different photo slots in this. You've got 2 going across like that, and then you've got 2 like that as well. No, I didn't, I did match them. So close that one, and then the last one here is the back page. This is again horizontal pockets, and this is all made up using waste from other pages that you've made. You can see how it all corresponds really nicely with the inside covers. And there is a PDF that will be available for this album once the workshop's been run. Thanks, bye.